BandLab offers a feature that allows users to convert vocal recordings into instrumental sounds. This functionality is available only with a premium membership. This tutorial explains how to access and use the feature. Steps to turn voice into an instrument. First, open BandLab on your device and ensure you have an active premium membership. If you do not have a subscription, click the Get button at the top of the interface to view available plans and upgrade. Once your premium membership is active, record a vocal or audio clip within a BandLab project. After recording, right-click on the audio clip in the timeline. From the menu that appears, select Audio to MIDI at the bottom. This option will open a selection screen where you can choose which instrument sound to apply to the converted vocal. Select your desired instrument, and BandLab will process the audio, converting the vocal recording into MIDI data played with the chosen instrument sound. Conclusion: the audio to MIDI feature allows premium subscribers to transform vocal recordings into instrumental parts. This method works for any audio clip within a BandLab project, provided the user has an active premium subscription.